Welcome to this demo. In this demo, we're going to look at a program called Lottery Number Generator. This program will generate a set of 6 numbers based on 49 numbers. Let's go ahead and get started. So to do that, I'm going to bring Python's idle program, open it like so, and I'm going to go ahead and open a new blank sheet for this. And of course, we want to state what our program will do first so that a third party can easily read the comment and understand what our program will do. Let's say this program will generate a set of 6 random numbers based on 49 numbers on the whole. Wow, just 49 numbers. Let's leave it at that. Then we're going to import random. Random module is the module that will handle the generation of random numbers. And of course, we're going to use randint that goes with random module in order to generate integers. If we are making a general selection, we can use the dot choice method that goes with random module. But in this case, we are generating integers, so we're going to be using randint with the random module. So to do that, we are going to say import random. Once we import that, we're going to put in another comment to indicate what next line will do. And that is to define the number of lottery numbers to generate. And of course, we've already said it's 6, a total of 6 numbers. So we're going to say num underscore lottery number numbers equals to 6. We want 6 numbers out of 49. And then we're going to define our range, which means number 1 to 49 in this case. So the next block of code will define the range of the lottery numbers. So our minimum number from that list, minimum lottery number from that list will be number 1, and the maximum lottery number is 49. And there might be an error somewhere, but we will not know until we run this program. As soon as we run it the first time, we'll be able to see if there are any errors. Sometimes you see a typo here and there when you run the program. It's easy to miss those details and then catch them as soon as the program shows it to you. So let's keep going. The next one is to generate the lottery numbers. Of course, the comment will lead us into that. Generate the lottery numbers. That's what we're doing next. Of course, we're going to initialize the list the bucket that will contain the list. So we will say lottery numbers equals an empty list. So we're going to start from an empty list. That's basically what this is saying. Start from an empty list. Initialize it so a computer knows where to start from. And then we're going to say, while the length of the lottery number, the len function here is going to compare the two numbers and then keep going until it gets all the six numbers. So it will compare lottery numbers and see if it's equals to number of lottery numbers. You may hear that and think that doesn't make sense. So what we're looking at here is this. We have lottery number, non-lottery numbers, which is a total of six. And we have this one, which is empty. So we want to look at every step where it is less than the six. So our program is going to tell it, keep grabbing numbers randomly until you get to this number six, but start from lottery number, which is here. So we give that variable a different name, initializes it with an empty list. So while that is the case, we're going to tell it number that we're looking for should come from the random module, specifically randint. Randint will, as a function, grab random integers from what we feed into it. And what do we feed into it? From minimum to maximum in this range right here, 1 to 49 is what we're feeding into this space. We're going to feed randint function that numbers the range to select from. So we're going to say minimum lottery number, comma, max lottery number, close parentheses. And once we do that, we're going to tell it to do this if number not in. There are two ways to indicate this, but we're going to use that operator there. If number not in lottery numbers, lottery numbers dot append. What does that mean, you ask? We're telling this program, oh, look at this right here. While the length of the lottery numbers, which is this initial empty list, is less than the six we already declared here, let our number be generated by the randint function and it's going to select from the range of minimum and maximum 1 to 49, basically, which is what we have here. And so once it start making that selection, if number that we're looking for is not in lottery numbers that append. So basically, if this number is not on our list, append it, and then keep going. So random int will look in the range of 1 to 49. And if our number is not lottery numbers, keep going. So it's going to do that. So it's going to append it until it gets to 6 numbers. And we're going to tell it to sort the lottery numbers in ascending order. So we're going to say sort the lottery numbers in ascending order. And how do we do that? We just use the sort method. Anytime you see a word like that with parentheses beside it, it basically indicates a method. So we are going to say lottery numbers.sort right here. Lottery numbers dot sort and parentheses. That's the sort method that will sort the numbers in ascending order. I press the save button on the keyboard and it's trying to save. I might as well go ahead and save. Where is my flash drive? Okay, so I'm going to select here and save. I'm going to call this one lottery number generator 2 since I've already created the first one. So once I sort, I will display the numbers. And how do I do that? Use the print function. Your lottery numbers are, and of course, we are going to use the variable number to display those numbers. So we're going to say for number in lottery numbers print number. We can also say print good luck to you. I hope you win. And maybe like that. We might actually put an empty space between them so it looks neat. So print, put an empty space there to separate the two lines. So now when you look up there, you see this, and that, and wonder what they do. So we're going to run the program and find out what happens. And as I said, there's bound to be an error somewhere, a typo, or some kind of omission. And we have one right here. Let's go ahead and close the parenthesis, see if that corrects it, and run again. There you go. That is your lottery number generator. Take note of these numbers: 12, 15, 21, 27, 31, 38. Let's see if the randint function repeats itself. It doesn't. Generates a random set of 6 numbers again. And of course, this is our statement. Good luck to you. I hope you win. Your lottery numbers are this. So let's go back. Lottery numbers, we start from an empty list and we're looking for 6 numbers. So we're telling it right here, keep going until you get 6 numbers. Start from 0 list and compare this. If lottery numbers is less than number lottery number, which is if my list is less than the 6 I've given, my number should be picked by random.randint and keeps picking until you get all the 6. That's basically what it's saying there. Keep appending numbers to that list until you get 6 of them. After you do that, sort them, then display them, and a goodwill message to the person who played the lottery. Thanks for participating. I will see you in the next video.